See this. Two real estate agents start their careers on the same day. One struggles, barely closing a few deals a year, constantly stressed about where the next client will come from. The other? They're making six figures, effortlessly attracting high-value clients, and living the dream. What's the difference? Today, I'm going to break it all down for you. By the end of this video, you'll have a step-by-step roadmap to maximize your income as a real estate agent. Let's get started. Here's the hard truth. 87% of real estate agents fail within 5 years. They get their license, expect deals to roll in, and then reality hits. Competition is brutal, lead generation feels impossible, and commissions aren't as high as they imagined. But the top 1%? They don't just survive, they thrive. And guess what? It's not luck. It's strategy. Let's dive into the exact playbook that successful agents follow to make serious money. 1. The harsh reality. Why most real estate agents fail. Most new agents enter the industry with unrealistic expectations. They think a few social media posts will bring in clients, but the truth is, real estate is a business, one that requires strategic planning, persistence, and marketing skills. Many fail because they don't invest in lead generation, don't differentiate themselves, and don't follow up consistently with potential buyers and sellers. For example, think about two agents in the same market. One waits for leads to come in, the other actively builds relationships with local business owners, attends networking events, and sends targeted email campaigns. Who do you think wins? If you're relying solely on your agency's brand name, you're already losing. 2. The Millionaire Agent Blueprint. How top agents dominate. The top 1% don't just work harder, they work smarter. They leverage branding, automation, and strategic networking to ensure a constant flow of clients. Their days are structured, focusing on income-generating activities like prospecting, follow-ups, and closing deals. For instance, Ryan Serhant, a top real estate agent, doesn't just wait for deals, he creates them. He positions himself as the go-to expert through content marketing, networking, and relentless follow-ups. The key? A mix of digital and traditional marketing, paired with an unbeatable work ethic. 3. Mastering lead generation. How to attract high-paying clients. If you're not generating leads, you're not making money. Period. Here are 3 ways top agents generate consistent leads. Referrals. Build relationships with past clients and incentivize referrals. Offer small perks or even cash bonuses for leads that turn into sales. Social media and content. Use Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube to showcase your expertise. Post market updates, home tours, and client success stories. Paid ads and SEO. Run targeted Facebook and Google ads to attract high-intent buyers and sellers. Example: an agent in Miami started posting educational TikTok videos about real estate tips. In 6 months, she grew her following to 50K and now gets a steady stream of clients from social media. 4. Negotiation secrets. How to close more deals and make bigger commissions. Closing deals isn't just about numbers, it's about psychology. The best agents understand what their clients really want and use that to negotiate. One key technique? The anchoring strategy. If a buyer hesitates on price, instead of just lowering the number, frame the deal differently. This home was originally listed at $800,000, but because we moved quickly, you're getting it for $750,000. Now, the client sees the value instead of focusing on the cost. 5. Multiple income streams. How to make more than just commissions. Real estate isn't just about selling homes. Smart agents build multiple income streams, such as property investments, buy, rent, or flip properties to generate passive income. Partnerships, work with real estate developers, mortgage brokers, or home stagers and earn commissions for referrals. Courses and coaching, teach aspiring agents how to succeed and monetize your knowledge. Top agents aren't just agents, they're business owners. They turn their real estate knowledge into various income sources. 6. Automation and scalability. How to work less and earn more. You can't grow if you're doing everything manually. Top agents use automation tools to handle scheduling, lead follow-ups, and email marketing. CRM systems like HubSpot or Follow Up Boss help track leads and automate responses, freeing up time for high-value tasks. Example: a high-performing agent in New York automated his email follow-ups and saw a 40% increase in conversions just by staying top of mind. Work smart, not just hard. 7. Branding like a pro: how to become the go-to agent in your market. People don't hire real estate agencies, they hire agents. Your personal brand is everything. This means a strong social media presence with professional branding, community involvement to build trust and credibility, a website with testimonials, case studies, and an easy way to contact you. Example: an agent in Los Angeles built a reputation for finding off-market luxury homes. His brand is so strong that high-net-worth clients seek him out, not the other way around. 8. The future of real estate: what's changing and how to stay ahead. The industry is evolving fast. Virtual tours, blockchain transactions, and AI-powered property evaluations are transforming how homes are bought and sold. If you want to stay ahead, you need to embrace these trends. For example, virtual reality home tours are now a standard in high-end markets. Agents using VR tech can close deals with international clients without them ever stepping into the house. If you've made it this far, you already have an edge over 90% of agents who never invest in their skills. But knowledge alone isn't enough. The real difference is action. What's the one strategy from this video you'll apply first? Let me know in the comments. Remember, success in real estate isn't about luck, it's about systems, branding, and persistence. The top agents weren't born successful. They built it. If this video gave you value, hit that like button and subscribe. I post weekly strategies to help you grow your income and dominate the real estate game. And before you go, check the description, I've left some exclusive resources just for you. Now, since you stayed until the end, YouTube picked another must-watch video for you. It's on screen right now. Click it, and I'll see you there.